Hello! Welcome to episode 5 of Vlogmas. This episode's going to be pretty short, but like I said in my last video, I just wanted to add a couple extra videos because I wanted to get to like 5 or 6. But this episode is going to be baking our Christmas cookies, and these are the ones that we've made ever since I was little. We drive back to the street we used to live on and we give out a few of the cookies to some of the people who still live there and who we're still in contact with, and they're the cookies that we give out to our extended family when they come over and the ones that we give to Father Christmas. So it's just really nice, very festive, very nostalgic, and you can just watch how we make them.